Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the lower front ball joint on this 2008 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First thing you do, crack loose your lug nuts, raise your vehicle, take your wheel off. Now we need to remove this nut and take the bolt out that's going through the knuckle here. Now that you've got that bolt out, you need to separate the knuckle here from the control arm. Sometimes it's easier if you take out these two bolts and then just you'll be able to lift this whole knuckle assembly up, and because sometimes the control arms push up really hard and it's hard to get the ball joint separated there. All right, now remove this bolt right here, and this will give you some room where you can pick this up and kind of move it off to the side a little bit. Now you'll need to either buy or rent one of these ball joint presses. You can rent these at local auto parts stores. I'm an Advanced Auto Parts affiliate, and you can check out my link in the description below. I also have Amazon links there too if you'd rather buy on Amazon, like new ball joints and stuff like that. But you'll need to rent a press. All right, if you've never pressed one of these out before, especially when they're wore out, when you start pushing down on them, they tend to flop over like that. So I usually take my 4.5-inch angle grinder and cut it off really low down here, and that makes it a lot easier for pressing them out. All right, this is how I have this press set up. You get the cup that fits in, or the adapter that sits in the bottom here. I picked the middle-sized cup, which fits around the ball joint, and then start tightening this down here. So you just keep cranking, and eventually that ball joint will pop out and start sliding out. All right, to press that ball joint back in, you can see I've got the bottom plate down here pushing up on the ball joint, and then I picked the smallest cup here, and then this adapter plate for the top. And you just start cranking it down until you get this all the way bottomed out. You'll know when it's bottomed out. You'll be cranking hard and it's not going anywhere. In order to get enough clearance for that ball joint not to hit this top plate, you need to flip this plate over a little bit so you can see that. And then this smaller tube doesn't actually fit in the rings here, so it's sitting on top, and that gives you enough clearance to get it all the way up in. If you've got a ball joint that's got a grease zerk, remember to put your grease zerk in and give it a couple pumps of grease. All right, at this point, it's just about putting it back together the way you took it apart. So pick it up, slide it back down on there, put your bolts back in, start reassembling stuff. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and remember, you can check out those Amazon links or the Advanced Auto Parts link there in the description. With the Advanced Auto Parts, you can order online there and then pick up in the store in like 30 minutes. So good luck and have a good one.